Hello everybody and welcome back to Visit Fylde Coast. The other day when I did a driving video I said to you that this was a good spot to see the waves coming over when it was high tide, because it was quite safe and you weren't going to get washed away by the waves. And I'm just on my way back from Blackpool after a morning being busy. I'm still coughing. And the waves are coming up spectacularly, so I thought I would record this little bit of the return journey. I started videoing it on my phone, but I decided that we might as well use the GoPro, because when we get up to the higher promenade at Princess Way, my bet is that it'll be fair beating up there, so we'll have a good look at it. It's drizzling as well, hence the windscreen wipers. So, shall we go and have a look for some waves? Excuse me, while I cough again. I think it's the cold, windy weather. It's making me very puffy. Oh dear. Forgotten how to drive. Right, I just pulled into this little what used to be the road at the side of the tramway pulling. I think we're starting to steam up actually. I just opened that a little bit. It's fair splashy. I was just thinking as I came around the corner of the tram crossing, I bet quite a bit of this low drizzly looking sky is seafront and cloud. And then I came around the corner and concluded that quite a bit of it must be sea as well. So we shall pull in and we shall have a look and see if the waves are as big as I think they might be. Ooh, yes they are. Watch out, birdie. Shove up, birdie. That's it. Right. Let's have a watch at a wave or two for 2 minutes. And they just soar off. And it's not really that windy. It's blowy, but I've definitely seen it a lot worse. Don't really want to be out in it, do you? Surprising how many people just sit here just watching. And have you noticed as well that when waves come up and bang against the sea wall, they seem to do it, you can see a wavelength in it, and you get a big one interspersed by so many small ones. I've no idea what time my tide is. It was out when I went out this morning. It's hypnotic. I really won't want to be on that. There you go, that's a big wave, and then you get lots of little ones, and then you get another big one. Amazing. Oh goodness, and this guy's got shorts on. Right, let's sashay back to Cliff Valleys. There's one thing at least. Ooh, that's a big lip. Pretty in gear, I might frame better, mightn't I? At least these speed bumps have slowed everybody down. You're trying to get out of his space. It's like winter. And all that beautiful weather. Oh, it's a big wave. Some wazzers. In fact, we need to be just at the other side of this white van, I think. Or just about here. There, can you see through that gap? Why, they're big waves, aren't they? You really won't want to be in that. Won't last 2 minutes. It's cold enough just standing outside on the path. It must be absolutely paralysing in that water. I must say it's a much better way to make a video than standing outside. Right, where we go. Let's go and see how many big waves are coming up at Cleveland's. More bumps. And the birds always stand facing into the wind. Poor things. Miserable life. Section of promenade always flooded quite badly before it got rebuilt, and it does still come over now, but it is designed to catch it. And these bumps that you see in the road, there's one that we're just coming up to now, it's not an attempt to turn it into Pleasure Beach roller coaster land. The bumps in the road are designed to hold back any floodwater and stop it from running inland. You see, everything has a reason. at the back of the wall. You can sometimes see waves up here. It's not too bad at Cleveland. That's your best wave spotting place at Princess Promenade. That's it then. That's your waves for today. So hope you've enjoyed that little bit of rough weather. Don't forget, make sure that you've subscribed, make sure you've hit the bell for notifications and done all that kind of stuff.